Today, I'm talking about building an operating system for your machine shop. So many shop owners are experts in machining, experts in the business, but they're not necessarily experts in building robust business processes that are needed to scale without them. The reality is you need to define a process for everything in your business, have a system for everything. If you want to remove yourself from those daily tasks, you need to be able to document it so your shop can run without you. I know it's an odd idea to consider, but it's an essential concept. And we've all heard of the idea of working on your business. This is that taken to an nth degree. So that is this in action. The fact is you will exit your business one day. That is for sure guaranteed, unless you've found the fountain of youth. And you want to create the best legacy possible, whether that's selling your business, whether that's passing it on to your heirs or key employees, whatever that means to you. It's important that your business carry on rather than just going to auction and selling off the machines one day. So to do so, we need to build an operating system. And there's a few key principles here. The first one is the KISS principle, the keep it simple, stupid, right? We want to simplify our processes, not have them be too convoluted, and make it so that it's easy for employees to follow. The next is we're starting with the highest return tasks, the things that are so essential that only you can do them today, and work on working yourself out of those tasks and processes. Again, defining the process, get it written down, get it into a system, and make sure other employees know how to do it. And then we're going to work outward from there. So starting with those high return tasks and working on tasks that are easier and easier for other people to take on. And as we document and write down these processes, keep in mind, if your name is written in the process, it's not scalable. You need to go back to the drawing board and rewrite that process so your name is not in it. And once that's all been done, you need to make sure you roll that out to your team, support them along the way, make adjustments as you go, and make sure you let them know that you have the confidence in them that they can successfully run your business. So hopefully you got something from that. Please read the blog below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening.